Around 39 million people across the world are visually impaired. They go through a lot of challenges in their day-to-day life. Visually impaired people can read text through Braille with their fingertips. Can they ever get information through human-like narration about the images present in the document, along with text without using their fingers? Yes, we have come up with a solution. We present to you NAYAN Narrator for the visually impaired. Introduction. The project is undertaken in collaboration with the National Association for the Blind India. People with stable vision can easily provide a lot of information about their surroundings by just having a look at it. But the same is not the case with visually impaired people, and this affects their reading and learning curve very badly. They may need some assistance or even complete attention for reading something. As they like themselves to be free and independent to do things on their own, this project will definitely aid the visually impaired people in their reading and learning process. Problem definition. As the name suggests, we are building a narrator that will help someone with complete blindness or impaired vision to read books, magazines, letters. Unlike other systems, our system will not only read the text from the document but also implement dense image captioning to produce captions for the images present in the document and convert both into audio format and narrate it to the user, giving him the feel of human narration. The system will be useful not only for English language but also for Devanagari scripts. Our system would also be able to read multi-columnar data from the document. These are the hardware, software, and the tools used in developing the project. Flickr 8K dataset was used for the training purpose. Methodology implemented. CNN-based VGG16 model is used to extract the feature set from a particular image. The features obtained from this model is given to the LSTM network, which predicts the sequences of words and generates a caption describing the image. The English caption is then translated to Hindi language using the Google Neural Machine Translation. The text from the image is extracted using the Test2 module. Finally, the captions and the OCR text is converted into audio format just like the human narration using the Android text-to-speech synthesizer. Now let's look at the working demo of the project.
We have used this metal structure as a stand to hold the phone. We have attached it to a cardboard sheet below. We have also attached a horizontal and a vertical cardboard sheet to align the book or the paper below. So when we place a book below and switch on the NAYAN app,
Welcome to NAYAN, the Narrator mobile application. Swipe left on screen for importing image from gallery. Swipe right on screen to click the image from camera. Swipe top on screen for reading the text again.
So we'll swipe left on the screen to read the image from camera. It says, I am captioning.
English caption. A group of people on a beach with surfboards. Hindi caption. सर्फबोर्ड के साथ समुद्र तट पर लोगों का एक समूह. Text in the document. Local man recycles cigarette butts to make surfboard.
These are some of the snapshots of the result. Evaluation measures. Blue metric is used to evaluate and test the performance of the image captions generated. The system performs best for unigram, giving a blue 1 score of 0.529 for 1000 testing images. Comparison with existing systems. Some of the major drawback of systems like Simply Audio and Learn Out Loud is their higher subscription rates of the services provided. They provide many audio books for people with visual impairment and charge users based on individual books or for monthly subscription like Netflix. Whereas our system is cost-free. Apps like Be My Eyes need a sighted volunteer for help. Such conditions always have to be dependent on various factors to be in use. Our system has no such need. Kibo app, currently used by many visually impaired people, cannot read 2 columnar data in the document and provides credits upon purchasing a subscription. Our system overcomes both of these issues. Products available in the market like the Talking Bhagavad Gita come in the form of a stylus and are able to read just the Bhagavad Gita. They cost around 5,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees, and such solutions are generalized to specific problems. Our system, on the other hand, can adapt to new scenarios. Conclusion and future scope. Image and text narration has many advantages in almost every complex area of artificial intelligence. The main use case of this project is to help the visually impaired to understand more efficiently what they read. The visually impaired child as well as old-aged will be benefited from this application, as it will create a feeling of human-like narration among them. This work has been able to overcome many lacunas from the previous research, but like any other system, our system has a few limitations too. Our system will not be able to interpret mythological characters like Lord Krishna and comic figures like Tom and Jerry from the images by their character name, but will convey them in generalized terms like man, cat, mouse. Further, this research can be expanded to automatically generate continuous captions for a live video and to narrate the whole scenario being shown. These are some of the references that we referred.